morning, children. After the last video, I'm sure all of you would have learned the table of 10. It's so easy, na? 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, and 10 tens are 100. And I know you can say it in your sleep also. I know it. Okay, children, in this video, we are going to see what all is there in the same chapter in your book. Okay, come, let's do that. Lesson 4, Counting in Tens. So there is a very nice story. Chickens and the clever fox. See, these are the tiny chickens. They are so cute. And this is the fox. Tiklu farmer has many chickens in her farm. One day, a clever fox saw these naughty chickens playing around. God, the chickens were playing around and the fox saw them. Okay. From that day, she started stealing and eating chickens every day. Tiklu came to know about it. She asked the fox, "Hey, do you eat my chickens?" "No, dear, I'm your friend. How can I eat your chickens?" Tiklu thought of counting her chickens every morning and evening, but the chickens kept moving around here and there. She said, "I will put 10 chickens in one basket and count them. And if I find any of them missing, I will give the fox a tight slap." In the morning, she counted her chickens. How many baskets of 10 chickens are there? See, children, we have to count the baskets. These are the Tiklu's baskets, okay? And in every basket, she has put how many chickens? How many chickens did she say? 10 chickens. In every basket, she has put 10 chickens. Now, how many baskets of 10 chickens are there? One basket, second basket, third basket, fourth basket, and fifth basket. So there are 5 baskets in all. How many chickens are there in all? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and these 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chickens are just roaming around outside the basket. So 50 plus 4. What is 50 plus 4? 54. So Tiklu had 54 chickens. In the evening, she counted the chickens again. There are dash baskets of 10 chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 baskets of 10 chickens. Are there only 4 baskets? Yes, only 4 baskets. There are 4 baskets of 10 chickens. There are 40. In 4 baskets, there are 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. There are 40 plus 3 is equal to 43 chickens in all. My God, 54 chickens were there and now there are 43 chickens. So 54 minus 43 is equal to 11 chickens have been eaten by the fox. Children, see, in the morning there were 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54. Children, there were total 54 chickens in the morning. And in the evening, 10, 20, 30, 40, and how many? 1, 2, and 3. 43 chickens are there in the evening. So there were 54 in the morning and 43 in the evening. So Tiklu is so angry. Can you see she is angry? Why? Because the fox has eaten 11 chickens. Oh God, how clever, how cruel. Okay, there's another story here. How many are these? Bhanu collects sticks from the jungle. He sells them in the market. So children, Bhanu is a woodcutter. He collects the sticks from the jungle and he sells them in the market. He uses 10 sticks to make one bundle. See children, he has made so many bundles. Can you see the bundles? And see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 sticks in all these bundles. Every bundle has 10 sticks. 3 bundles have 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 will make 30. 3 bundles have 30 sticks. Now, how many sticks in all are these? Okay, you have to find out how many sticks in all are these. So, how many bundles are there? We have to count first. 1 bundle, 2 bundles, 3 bundles. There are 3 bundles of 10 sticks. And how many loose sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 10, 20, 30. 30 plus 9. 39 sticks in all. Right, children? Okay. Now, 4 bundles would have how many sticks? Come on, do it in your mind. 4 bundles. 1 bundle has 10, 2 have 20, 3 have 30, and 4 bundles would have 40 sticks. Great. So, 4 bundles will have 40 sticks. Okay, now let us see what is Malti doing. There is a wedding in Malti's house. She is making flower garlands. Oh wow, how beautiful. She uses 10 flowers to make one garland. Arre wah, very nice. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, Malti is using 10 flowers to make every garland. Okay. So, there are dash flowers in all. We have to count how many flowers are there all together. So, let us see. Remember children, every garland has got how many flowers? Yes, 10 flowers. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There are 50 flowers in these garlands. How many garlands are there, children? First garland, second garland, third garland, fourth garland, and 5 garlands. There are 5 garlands and 5 garlands have 50 flowers. And there are 8 flowers which are loose. So 50 plus 8. 50 plus 8 is 58. So there are 58 flowers in all. Okay. Let us see this. Okay, now we have to find out how many flowers are these. How many flowers are these? Okay, let us see how many garlands are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just remember, there are 6 garlands and every garland has 10 flowers. Okay, let's count these loose flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 loose flowers. Okay, so there are 6 garlands. So 6 garlands have got how many flowers? Okay, let us do that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 6 garlands have 60 flowers and we have 7 flowers which are loose. So 60 plus 7. What is 60 plus 7? 67. So 67 flowers in all. Nice, very good. Okay. Now, how many garlands of 10 flowers each can you make using 21 flowers? Draw them in the space below. Now, children, all of you have got a book. In your book also, like in my book, there is space here. In your book also, there is space, beta. So, what you have to do? You have to draw garlands of 10 flowers each and you have to use 21 flowers. So you have to tell us how many garlands were you able to make and how many flowers were loose. So please draw them and see for yourself. Do it after this. Okay. Now Leela Leela is hiding behind her mom. What is her mom saying? Leela, can you see all these pencils? How many are these? If you make a good guess, all these will be yours. Okay, children, come on. Help Leela to count the pencils. Come on, come on. Okay, let us see. There are boxes of pencils. Oh, great. And all the boxes are alike. See, they have got the same design on them. So let us see how many pencils are there in one box. Okay, let us count in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, great. All boxes have 10 pencils each. And there are 4 pencils which are without the boxes. Okay, so let us first count the boxes. Remember, children, there are 4 pencils without the boxes. Now let us count the boxes. First box, second box, third box, fourth box. Let us see if there are more boxes. Yes, fifth box, sixth box. There are 6 boxes and there are 4 pencils which are loose. So 6 boxes means how many pencils if there are 10 pencils in each box? Okay, let us see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. 60 pencils and 4 pencils loose. 60 plus 4 will give us 64. Okay, let us read this. Let us help Leela. How many packets of 10 pencils are there? Children, just now we have counted how many packets are there? 6 packets. And how many pencils are outside the packets? The ones which were lying there on top? 4 pencils. So altogether there are 60 plus 4, 64 pencils. Right, children? Good. Okay. Now we have Kanak doing something with bindis. Oh, Kanak, what are you doing with bindis? Okay, let us see. Kanak likes collecting different kind of bindis. Oh, so sweet. How many packets does she have? Oh, she has got so many packets. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 packets. How many packets does she have? She has 7 packets. Okay. So how many bindis in all? Let us see. In one packet, how many bindis are there? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So children, in every packet, there are 10 bindis. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. How many bindis in all she has? 70 bindis. Okay. Now each packet has 3 plus 4 plus 3 bindis. Okay. See children, what they have done? They have made 3 rows. This is first row, second row, third row. You also sit in the classroom in rows, na? Right? So same way they have put bindis in rows. So first row has 3 bindis, second row has 4 bindis, and third row has 3 bindis. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they have made a pattern. Okay. They look beautiful in this pattern. So 10 bindis have been put in a pattern like this. Now what you have to do, now you draw 10 bindis in a different way, in a different pattern. In your book, there is space here. Okay, children? There is space here and you have to think of some pattern in which you can draw 10 bindis. But it should be a nice pattern. Okay, children? Right? So this you have to do. Okay? That's all for today, children. Draw these bindis and do the things which I have told you to do in your book. Right? We will meet again. Thank you and have a nice day.